Hi, I'm Anusha. I make videos related to beauty and lifestyle. If this is something that interests you, please take a moment to click that subscribe button. I'll say the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload. Without further ado, let's get started with today's video. If you are an absolute beginner with skincare and you are wondering for that perfect video that can give you the insights on how to start a basic skincare routine, and you are confused about all the actives like vitamin C, niacinamide and BHA, retinol and whatnot, I'm going to be mapping out the basic skincare routine and also will be giving you product recommendations for different skin types. So without wasting any further time, let's get started with today's video. So when you are starting out your skincare routine, you have to form a skincare routine that caters to your particular skin type. If you have oily skin, then you need different products. If you have dry skin, then you need different products. And if you have combination skin, you will be needing different kind of products. So the skincare routine will be the same, but the products will be different. So let's divide this video into two parts. The first one is the AM skincare routine and the second one is the PM skincare routine. So when it comes to morning skincare routine, the morning skincare routine can be very simple and basic. So I would recommend a 3-step skincare routine in the morning: a cleanser to clean your skin, a moisturizer to moisturize your skin, and a sunscreen to protect your skin. That's it. In some cases, you can skip the moisturizer also, because nowadays sunscreens are coming up with added moisturizer properties. So if it is like a sunscreen loaded with ceramides and a lot of moisturizing ingredients, then directly you can go to sunscreen by skipping the moisturizer. So then it will be just 2 steps, a cleanser and a sunscreen. That's it. So my product recommendations for this AM skincare routine will be, now coming to the cleanser. So if you have oily skin, you can go for cleansers like Saslic DS, which has 2% BHA in it. It works on oil control and it works on acne also. You can try that cleanser, and you can try the cleanser from Cosrx. It is their low pH good morning gel cleanser. It is a very good cleanser for oily and acne prone skin people. It has this, it cleanses your skin very well, but it will not make your skin dry. And it has betaine salicylate, which works against acne. I'll insert the picture of it here. I don't have the face wash right now with me, so I'll insert the picture here. Or you can try the Minimalist Aquaporin Booster Cleanser. Actually, that cleanser works across all skin types. If you have oily combination or dry skin also, you can happily use that cleanser. It is very hydrating, but it cleanses the skin very well. So these are the 3 cleanser options for oily skin people. And when it comes to dry skin, you can try cream based cleansers that are very gentle on the skin and gives you a little bit of cleansing action. The best example would be the Cetaphil gentle cleanser. It is very mild in nature, but cleanses skin enough for dry skin people. And if you have combination skin, you can use the aquaporin booster from Minimalist. So these are the cleanser recommendations. The first step is cleanser, and we are done with the cleanser. After that, you have to pat your skin dry and move to the next step, that is the moisturizer. Normally oily skin people will think that they don't need a moisturizer, but it's not true. Every skin type needs moisturizer to keep their skin hydrated, plump, happy and healthy, right? So if you have oily skin, select a moisturizer that is not heavy on the skin, that will not make your skin look greasy or heavy. The perfect example would be the one from Minimalist. It is their vitamin B5 moisturizer. It is very light and very hydrating. It has panthenol which supports skin barrier also. So you can try this moisturizer, or you can go for the Dr. Sheths ceramide and vitamin C oil free moisturizer. This is also a very lightweight moisturizer, gets like that into the skin and makes it very hydrated and plump. So you can try this moisturizer from Dr. Sheths, or you can try the Dot and Key Cica Niacinamide moisturizer. It is a gel based moisturizer and it works very well for oily and acne prone skin people. It has ceramides, niacinamide, I think it has cica, tea tree, but the texture of that moisturizer is very, very light. It is absolutely hydrating and soothing on the skin. So you can try that moisturizer as well. Actually, we have like a lot of moisturizer videos and moisturizer playlist on my channel, so I'll be leaving all of them in the description box. So if you want more options, you can check them out. And if you have combination skin, you can try moisturizers that are not very thick nor very gel kind of moisturizers. You can try moisturizers like the Oat Moisturizer from Minimalist. It is a very good moisturizer. It is very soothing, hydrating and moisturizing. Or you can try this one, the Dot and Key Ceramides and Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. This is also not very thick, not very light, and it provides the right amount of hydration and moisturization into your skin. And even if you have dry skin also, you can try this. Other than if you have very, very dry skin, then it may not work for you. Otherwise, this is a very good moisturizer. moisturizer. And for very dry skin people, you can go for very thick and heavy moisturizers like the one from Bioderma Autoderm Balm or Bioderma Autoderm Cream. Both are very good for very dry skin people. And we have one moisturizer from Cerave, the Cerave Moisturizing Balm. It is also very good moisturizer for very dry skin people. Or you can try the Cicaplast, the La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Baume. It is also very good for very dry skin people. So if you have very dry skin, then you can try those kind of balmy and thick moisturizers to moisturize your skin and protect it from drying out. So these are the moisturizer options. Now coming to the third step. So now you are done with cleansing and you are done with moisturizing your skin. Now as a third step, you have to go in with your sunscreen. We have like a lot of sunscreen options in the Indian market, and I have done like reviews of around 25 to 30 sunscreens. So I'll be leaving the playlist in the description. So if you want more options, you can check the playlist. Now coming to oily skin, you need something mattifying on the skin, so you will not feel oily or greasy after applying a sunscreen. Normally people skip sunscreen because they don't like the greasy and whitish cast they leave on the skin, but we have got better sunscreen options for that caters to different skin types. So if you have oily skin, pick a sunscreen that is non-greasy, non-oily, and that mattifies your skin. The best options would be the Viaxis Complete No Stress Physical Sunscreen. It is a complete physical sunscreen, means it has only physical filters like zinc oxide and titanium dioxide, and it has a lot of other good ingredients in it as well, and it mattifies the skin. So if you want a mattifying sunscreen, then you can try this, but it is a bit of an expensive product. So you can try the one from Qurez, the tinted sunscreen. Actually I am not sure the tint will suit across different skin types, but if the tint suits you, it is a very good sunscreen. It is very mattifying. It will take a little bit of time to blend into the skin, but once it blended, it will keep your skin mattified and oil free for a longer period of time. So if you are looking for a very mattifying sunscreen that can control the sebum on your skin, you can try the one from Qurez, or we have a good option from Dot & Key as well. It is their vitamin C sunscreen. It is very lightweight. It feels like a serum on the skin. It mattifies the skin as well. So if you have oily skin, these are the different options that you can try. And if you have combination skin, you can try the you can try the sunscreens like the Aqualogica Watermelon Sunscreen. It is hydrating, moisturizing, so you will love this product. And you can try the one from Dot & Key, the Watermelon Sunscreen. It is also very hydrating kind of sunscreen. You can try that. Or we have sunscreens from Vilva got one melt in milk drop sunscreen. It is not very moisturizing nor very mattifying, so you can try the one from Vilva. So these are the different sunscreen options for combination skin. And if you have dry skin, you can try the one from Dr. Sheths. It is their vitamin C and ceramide. It is like a viral product from Dr. Sheths, so you can try that product. And you can try the one from Beauty of Joseon, their sunscreen. I'll leave the image here. It is a very good sunscreen if you have dry skin. So these are the Qurez physical sunscreen, the SPF 31, that is also a very moisturizing sunscreen. So these are some of the moisturizing sunscreen options if you have got dry skin. So you are done with the AM skincare routine. You have cleansed your skin, you have applied your moisturizer, and you have applied your sunscreen. So this is the basic morning skincare routine that you can follow. Now coming to the evening skincare routine, you have to use a little bit of stronger cleanser than in the morning, because you will accumulate the sunscreen, you will accumulate the dirt and grime because you go out or something due to the pollution and everything. Your skin will get dirty, so you have to remove all that dirt and grime out of your skin. So you can do double cleanse, or you can use a single cleanser. And wash 2 times with the single cleanser. Generally I follow double cleanse method, and it worked really well for me. What a double cleanse method is, first you go in with an oil cleanser, and after that you will use the normal regular morning cleanser whatever you have used. For oil cleanser, there are different options like the Sugandha oil cleanser, which works across different skin types. It is very light and can be used by any kind of skin. And we have one cleansing balm from Deconstruct. It is also very soothing, very mild, and works across different skin types. So first you can use this cleanser to melt the sunscreen, the dirt, grime and everything, and get it out of your face. And then as the second cleanser, you can use whatever cleanser you have used in the morning. So you can use that as the second cleanser. So you are done with cleansing. Now as the second step, you can go in with a treatment like the niacinamide serum or vitamin C serum or the BHA serum, whatever is there that caters to your specific skin type and skin conditions. You can go in with a niacinamide serum if you are looking for overall brightness on the skin to reduce pigmentation. If you are looking to reduce the dark spots, then you can go in with a niacinamide serum. If you are looking for overall glow on the skin to build collagen back in the skin, then you can go in with the vitamin C serum. And if you have a lot of acne and if you want to control the oil and the acne on the skin, then you can go in with a BHA serum. I leave all the serums on the screen. A good option for the niacinamide serum would be the niacinamide and alpha arbutin from Deconstruct, and a good option for vitamin C would be the vitamin C serum from Deconstruct, and a good option for BHA would be the BHA niacinamide from Deconstruct. This video is nowhere sponsored by Deconstruct, but I find that their serums are very beginner friendly, so I am mentioning. There are a lot of other good serums also, but these serums are very beginner friendly and are effective, so that's why I am mentioning all their serums here. And so yeah, these are the different serums that you can incorporate in your skincare for specific conditions. Or if you are feeling very overwhelmed to start a serum, skip on the serum step and directly go in with the moisturizer, whatever you have used in the morning. That's it. So basically the evening skincare would be to use a first cleanser, second cleanser, whatever you have used it in the morning, and if you want to include a serum, you can include the serum, otherwise you can skip it and directly go in with your moisturizer and go to sleep. That's it. And morning and in the evening, use a lip balm of your liking. In the mornings you can use a lip balm with SPF in it, like the Minimalist SPF 30 lip balm, and in the evening you can use a very moisturizing lip balm like the lip balm from Juicy Chemistry, the blood orange and rose hip, or the one from Sugandha. Yeah, Sugandha has one beautiful lip balm. Yeah, this one, the oat lip balm, calendula lip balm from Sugandha. These are the two lip balms that you can use at night time. So this is like the basic skincare routine you can form as a beginner. And if you have still got queries, you can please mention them in the comment section and I'll reply back to you. So yeah, with that I'm wrapping up today's video. I hope soon you will start building your own skincare routine. So with that I'm wrapping up today's video here. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.